Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes, art challenges to try in your own style. Today I am making a parody of Sammy Kiska, the multi-instrumentalist from the rock band Greta Van Fleet. This drawing is part of my Crayons Rock Art challenge inspired by Pete the Cat, Crayons Rock by Kimberly and James Dean. In this parody, Sammy Kiska becomes Sammy Crayola of Greta Crayon Fleet. For this art challenge, you may want a sheet of paper, a how to draw sheet, a pencil and an eraser, a Sharpie or other marker, a ruler, and crayons, because crayons rock. I encourage you to begin with a pencil lightly on the paper to better set yourself up for success. Please feel free to pause this video as you follow along with me while I outline in Sharpie. That way you can go at your own comfortable pace. I chose to make this drawing and this character because I am a huge fan of Greta Van Fleet. Even though they sound a lot like some other rock bands, I think Greta Van Fleet make music in their own style by writing songs about topics that interest them. So if you are trying this art challenge, consider making it in your own style as well. Make your own version of a musical crayon that reflects your musical interests or passions. Yours could be a rock star like mine, a rapper, a DJ, or any other kind of musician you know about. Whatever you choose, I know that you'll do great because you rock. I do hope that you try this art challenge for yourself. Feel free to begin this journey by making my character Sammy Crayola, or jump right into your own creation. Remember that yours can be a doodle, or it can be a masterpiece. Either way, I am certain that you are going to rock it. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.